Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the My Funded Futures Core Plan, a solid choice for anyone wanting to trade futures without having to sell a kidney just to cover the entry fee. It provides all the professional tools you'd expect, but what really stood out to me was the simplicity. The dashboard is actually easy to navigate, unlike some platforms that look like they were designed by a bored NASA engineer in 1985. From signing up to managing your account, the whole process is remarkably smooth, almost making you forget the impending stress of the actual markets. The core plan focuses heavily on developing consistency and discipline, which is perfect for those of us who still treat risk management like a polite suggestion rather than a rule. You get realistic profit targets and a decent drawdown limit that pushes you to trade smartly instead of gambling like you're at a 3 a.m. blackjack table. The evaluation process isn't intentionally designed to destroy your soul, but it's still challenging enough to prove you won't crumble the moment a trade goes half a tick against you. One of the best features is how closely the conditions mirror a live market environment, making the transition to a funded account feel natural rather than a sudden, terrifying jump into the deep end. The pricing is also surprisingly fair. It's cheaper than most prop firms, and they run enough discounts to satisfy even the most frugal traders. Even the customer support is a highlight, responding so quickly you'll wonder if they actually have a life outside of answering your technical panics. Overall, it's a great balance of beginner-friendly guidance and professional-grade preparation. Thanks for watching. Try not to blow your account, and I'll see you in the next one.